Hi, kings and queens. It's your girl, Keisha Dixon. As you can see, a lot of things have changed. Welcome to my house tour. Okay, guys, so before we start the home tour, I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel where you will be experiencing with me everything lifestyle vlogs. I want to cook with you guys, I want to do makeup with you guys, I want to do try on hauls with you guys, and I'm definitely going to be sharing with you guys what we did to save for and purchase our home. So now let's get into the house tour. When you enter our home, you enter into the foyer, where the life of the home is the rotundant ceiling. We added a beautiful chandelier, and we also added a medallion to complement the ceiling. To the left of the foyer, you'll notice that here is our formal dining room. We decided to put mahogany wood floors to complement the staircase. And to make a statement in the room, we decided to paint the ceiling royal blue. One of the upgrades for the studio was this window. I had them add because it brought more light into the room and it gave it more of a elegant feel. As you enter the room, you'll notice that there is a bay window here as well. These windows are 10 feet tall. And the ceiling is 16 feet tall. And immediately when you enter the living room, you'll notice that there's also a bay window here. These windows are 16 feet tall. There's a gas fireplace that is controlled by a remote. And the fireplace mantle is 6 feet tall. To the right of the living space, you'll enter our kitchen that is separated by a bar. The kitchen space is our favorite place of the home. We decided to go with light colored tile and antique cabinetry. We decided to go with a chrome appliance package. In the backsplash, we decided to go with multiple metals. You'll see we have a little bit of gold, silver, and dark texture tiles. And we decided to add a wood table that was large enough to sit 8 people because we have a really big family. So we only purchased 4 seats, but as you can see, we have 4 more seats to add. Also, we decided to go with peanut butter bar stools to complement the table and to bring that country feel to the kitchen. As I enter the master bedroom, you can see that we decided to go with gray furniture. We wanted to keep the room light, but we continued the navy blue throughout the bedroom to pull the color from the living room and the dining room into the bedroom. And here we have a king bed, and you'll notice that we also have a bay window. The master bathroom, you notice that we decided to go with white marble tile. We have dark cabinetry. We decided to put jewel door pulls on the cabinets to give it extra glam. We decided to go with rectangular sinks. And chrome faucets. We decided to keep the countertops dark because I use a lot of makeup. And in this bathroom, we decided to go with a white cabinet with an antique marble countertop and round sink. We decided to go with chrome faucet treatments in this room as well. And the lighting gallery also came in and put in a beautiful chandelier here. It's more modern / traditional, very gorgeous, and complements the room very well.
This is our theater room. It's gonna take us a little time to develop how we want it to, but it's nice and spacious. I'm gonna put a 100-inch screen on that side. Projector gonna go up here. I'm gonna put some theater room seats right here, and eventually we're gonna put some movie carpet in here also. And I like the sconces that we have now. Well, it can change, but right now this is good, and I have set up for 5 speakers in here, and this space is gonna be nice. We like it.
Okay guys, so as we come to an end of the house tour, we enter the final guest room. Keep in mind we've only been here for 6 months, so we have a lot more decorating to go. If you're interested in how we're going to continue to decorate the home, and also if you're interested in learning how we save for and the steps we took in the process of building our home, make sure you comment, like this video, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of those uploads. I appreciate you guys who stayed to the end. You guys are the real MVPs. Have a blessed one. Until the next one.